Alright everybody, it's 12:28 and 47 seconds. This is the drawing for Avengers 100 and 181. Closed in 4 minutes. That must be a record for me, actually. Over here are the 7 filled spots. So let's roll our 3 dice. Number is 15. Just to let everybody know, I cannot ship until tomorrow at this point. So it will go out on May 24th. Alright, so we're going to go 15 times. Name at the top of the list. We'll get both books. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and this is the final one. George Vermack, spot 2. Congratulations. Time is 12:29 and 48 seconds.